Right now, we're probably at the most dangerous place the human race has ever been. We have now raced down this road that is totally unsustainable. And through the education system, we have trained our kids to go down of this road that leads to an unsustainable future. In fact, it leads to a catastrophe. So how do we take a whole education system that is training the next generation down this road of destruction and turn it around?
So what we do is we lay them out like bricks, and then we'll stack them on top, and then after 2 courses we'll stake them down.
And pack that down good, and then water it in, and put some mulch around it. Now we can even plant our lettuce garden in here.
There'll be plenty of jobs. I mean, you can work forever from now on restoring what we have destroyed. Forests, soils, waters, cities, the human spirit. I mean, we destroyed everything. You can run cars on water. I mean, you can make oil from a little oil press. You can build natural houses, so I mean, natural energy, natural houses, natural food. I mean, we know how to do it. I mean, what's so difficult about it? Why couldn't every country on this planet use the military service, instead of going for 2 years into learning how to kill, maim, and destroy? Why couldn't every young person on Earth go through a 2-year training where you learn how to restore yourself and the Earth and to live in a sustainable way and make it economically viable? As long as we have an economy where sickness is economic, war is economic, everything that's negative is economic. Destruction of the Earth is economic. We have to have a new economic paradigm. It has to be economic to restore the Earth. It has to be economic to keep people healthy, harmonious, and, one. And it has to be economic to live sustainably. It's just a different economic system. So it's from a negative economy to a positive economy. Everything has been fragmented for people. They have learned about this separation, we're separate from, which of course makes it really easy to destroy nature. If you think you're separate from it, it's like a commodity to keep on taking from. So young people are going to have to relearn the natural law.